was very good in the playoffs last year. Hasn't scored a goal in these playoffs. Brian Rust was there, and he's hurt. Malkin moved the puck up to Phil Kessel, and he gets a rough ride taken out of the play by Dion Phaneuf. And Kessel gets up and takes a swing at Bobby Ryan with his stick. And CC or Methot and Carlson on against Sid every shift.
Yeah, you mentioned game 2. It was Rust who got just pasted by Phaneuf, but he goes right after his ex-teammate in Toronto, and the Pittsburgh bench, you know that they're looking for a call. They don't get it.